Most people use money every single day. They spend it, they chase it, they worry about it. But very few people actually understand how money works. And that is the problem, because when you use something you do not understand, you lose control of it. Money looks simple on the surface. You earn it, you spend it, you save it. But behind that simplicity there is a system, a powerful system that most people never see. And the moment you understand that system, everything changes. Because money is not just paper. It is not just numbers on a screen. It is a tool, a system of exchange, a way to transfer value. When you understand this, you stop chasing money directly, and you start focusing on value. Because money flows where value goes. If you create value, money comes to you. If you do not, it does not. And this is the first truth. Money follows value, not effort. Many people work hard, very hard, but they struggle. Because effort alone is not enough. You can work all day, but if what you are doing has low value, your income will stay low. And this is why understanding value is everything. Value is solving problems. Value is helping people. Value is creating something useful. The more value you create, the more money you attract. But here is where most people get confused. They think money comes from working more hours, but money does not scale with time. Time is limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. So if your income depends only on your time, your income will always be limited. And this is why most people stay stuck. They trade time for money, instead of building systems that generate money. And this is the second truth. Money grows through systems, not effort. A system can be a business. A system can be an investment. A system can be something that works even when you are not working. And this is how wealthy people think. They do not ask, how can I work more? They ask, how can I build something that works without me? And that is a completely different mindset. Because now you are not just earning, you are building. And building creates leverage. Leverage is what allows you to grow faster. It allows one action to produce bigger results. And without leverage, growth is slow. Very slow. And this is why many people feel stuck. Because they are working hard without leverage. Now there is another part of how money works. And this part is dangerous. Because most people ignore it. Money flows easily, but it also disappears easily if you do not control it. And this is where behavior becomes important. Because earning money is one thing, keeping it is another. And growing it is something else completely. Most people never move past the first level. They earn, they spend, and that is it. And this is why they never build wealth. Because wealth is not built from earning, it is built from keeping and growing. And this requires discipline, it requires awareness, it requires control. Because without control, money controls you. Every decision you make with money shapes your future. Small decisions, daily decisions, what you spend, what you save, what you ignore, and these small decisions add up over time. They create your financial life, not in one big moment, but slowly, quietly. And this is why understanding money is powerful. Because once you understand it, you start seeing patterns. You start noticing mistakes. You start becoming intentional instead of reacting. And that is the difference. Most people react to money. They spend when they feel good. They spend when they feel bad. They spend without thinking. But people who understand money act with intention. They think, they plan, they decide. And this is what gives them control. Now here is something deeper. Money is not just external. It is psychological. How you think about money determines how you use it. If you see money as something to spend, you will spend it. If you see money as something to grow, you will grow it. If you fear money, you will avoid it. If you respect money, you will manage it. And this is why mindset matters. Because your behavior follows your beliefs, and your results follow your behavior. So if you want to change your financial life, you must change how you think. Because money itself does not change anything. It only amplifies who you are. And now you begin to see something powerful. Money is not the goal. Understanding is. Because once you understand how money works, you stop being controlled by it. You start using it. You start building with it. You start growing it. But this is just the beginning. Because next, we go deeper. We break down how money moves in the real world, why most people stay stuck even when they earn, and the hidden rules that separate those who understand money from those who never do. Now you understand the foundation, but to truly understand how money works, you must go deeper. Because money is not just earned. It moves. It flows, it circulates, and the people who understand this flow are the ones who win. Most people only see one side of money, earning. But money has 3 levels: earning, keeping, growing. And if you miss even one of these levels, you will struggle. You can earn a lot and still lose everything. You can keep money and still never grow. You can try to grow money without understanding it and lose it. And this is why understanding the full system matters. Money moves through decisions. Every decision you make either pushes money towards you or away from you. When you spend without thinking, money leaves. When you invest with intention, money grows. When you avoid learning, money stays limited. And over time, these decisions compound. They build your financial reality. Not instantly, but inevitably. This is how money works in the real world. Not through one big moment, but through repeated behavior. Now here is something most people never realize. Money rewards patience, but punishes impatience. People want fast results, fast money, fast success. And because of that, they make poor decisions. They chase trends. They take unnecessary risks. They fall for shortcuts. And they lose. Not because money is complicated, but because they are impatient. But those who understand money move differently. They think long-term. They act carefully. They build slowly. And that is why they last. Because money respects consistency, not excitement. Another truth most people ignore is this: money flows to clarity. If you do not know what you are doing with money, you will lose it. If you do not have a plan, money disappears. If you do not have direction, you waste opportunities. And this is why clarity is power. Knowing where your money is going, knowing why you are earning, knowing what you are building. Because without clarity, you drift. And drifting leads to loss. Now let us go deeper into something even more powerful. Money is attracted to responsibility. The more responsible you are, the more money you can handle. The less responsible you are, the more money you lose. And this is why some people grow and others stay stuck. Not because of opportunity, but because of capacity. Your capacity to manage money determines how much you can keep. And this is built over time, through discipline, through learning, through awareness. And this is why small amounts of money matter. Because how you handle small money is how you will handle big money. If you waste small money, you will waste big money. If you respect small money, you will grow big money. There is no difference, only scale. Now here is something deeper. Money does not change your life. It reveals it. It shows your habits. It shows your discipline. It shows your weaknesses. And this is why many people fail after getting money. Because they were not ready. They did not build the mindset. They did not build the habits. They only chased the result. And the result did not stay. Because they did not change. And this brings us to the most important truth. Money follows identity. Who you are determines what you do. What you do determines what you have. If you see yourself as someone who struggles, you will act like it. If you see yourself as someone building wealth, you will act like it. And over time, your actions create your reality. This is how money works at the deepest level. Not outside, but inside. Now think about your life. Every financial situation you are in today is a result of past decisions, past habits, past thinking. And if you continue the same pattern, nothing changes. Even if your income changes, even if your environment changes, because the root is the same. But the moment you change your thinking, everything shifts. You start seeing differently. You start acting differently. You start deciding differently. And slowly, your results change. Not instantly, but inevitably. And this is where power comes from, awareness. Because once you understand how money works, you stop guessing. You stop reacting. You stop following. You start leading. You take control. And control changes everything. So here is the truth. Most people never realize. Money is not difficult. People are. Their habits, their emotions, their lack of discipline. That is what makes money feel hard. But once you master yourself, money becomes simple. Not easy, but simple. And now you are no longer confused. You are no longer lost. You understand the system. You understand the flow. You understand the rules. And now everything depends on one thing: your action. Because knowledge without action changes nothing. Understanding without discipline means nothing. So now the question is not, do you understand money? The question is, will you apply it? Because if you apply it, your life changes. If you ignore it, nothing changes. And this is where your future is decided. Not tomorrow, not next year, but today. Through your decisions, through your habits, through your discipline. So do not wait. Do not delay. Do not ignore what you now understand. Because time is moving. Opportunities are passing. And your life is being shaped by what you do right now. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need more time. You do not need more information. You need action, and consistent action, because that is how money works. Not for a moment, but for a lifetime. And once you understand this, you stop chasing money. You start building it, you start controlling it, you start growing it, and that is when everything changes. You are no longer part of the system. You understand it. And when you understand it, you can use it. And when you use it, you can grow. And when you grow, you create freedom. And that is the real goal. Freedom, not just money. Freedom of time, freedom of choice, freedom of life. And that is what understanding money gives you. Not instantly, but inevitably. If you stay consistent, if you stay disciplined, if you stay focused, and now it is your turn to decide, to act, to build, to grow. Because money will always work the same way, but your life will depend on whether you understand it and whether you use it. You can continue the same pattern, or you can change everything. The choice is yours.